male cassowary. Once the female lays the eggs, he alone will do all the parenting. For over a month, he's been carefully protecting the clutch against the worst of the heat. Another 2 weeks for them to survive to hatching. But in oppressive heat, his thirst becomes too much. He must leave the nest in search of water. Each egg weighs over half a kilogram. A big meal for potential egg thieves. A brush turkey has a go, but he doesn't have the power to crack them. The cassowary dad won't have long to drink his fill. There are more serious threats to his eggs. A female cassowary. But she's not the one who laid these eggs. For the new female, a stranger's eggs represent a threat. Competition for territory between females is fierce. The male is back, but powerless. Females are 20 kilograms heavier than males. A single strike from her claw could kill him. She destroys the eggs that aren't hers. There'll be less competition for her brood when the rains and the fruit finally arrive. For the male, the monsoon couldn't come soon enough.